And motor.
Ay, sabay mo.
Motor. Frame please. And 3. Smile well. Enjoy. 3, 2, 1, and action. Ready? And the bell. And balik ng konti bell. Yes. And other side, bell. Ganda.
Diba?
And
And actually, hinihintay ko rin yung ganun ko eh. Parang kailanganin ako yung after nyo. And motor. And ready done. Ready siya. And 3, 2, 1. Action. Body odor. Dilates and germs. And 3, 2,
action. Action. Mas concerned pa. Walang smile. So, let's get it. Yes. Okay, para next. Yes. So, 3, 2, 1.
So, yan, skin ko. Baka may germs. Dirt and oil na yan.
and motor. Wala na pong tatawid. Quiet please. And 3, 2, 1. Action.
Ang puso, kakahiya, skin ko. Baka may germs. Dirt and oil na yan.
And cut.
Doon, sige, favor ka ng konti doon. Yan. Go.
Ang init, baka mag-amoy pawis ako.
Ay,
Ang puso, kakahiya yung skin ko.
wala yung uso ka.
Ikaw pwede ka pumat sa babae, sa lalaki, ano, ha? Richie. And, motor. And 3, 2, 1. Action. And look, and uy, don't abot. Sige, go.
Ang init, baka mag-amoy pawis ako.
Nice. And yan, uy.
Ang puso, kakahiya yung skin ko.
Ganda. And cut. Saan mo yung atras, ha? Okay. Friends, pinapabilisan ko pa yung dolly, ha? Okay, ready ka? Ready ka? And, ready Dolly, ready Bell. Look at each other. Lapper last, alis kayo dyan. And, motor. And 3, 2, 1, action!
Move forward.
And cut one more. Isa pa, isa pa.
Beautiful. Jake. 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 Ready cameras. And ready bell. Smile. Wait, point mo raw.
Damihan na natin ang bonggang-bongga. Kasi hindi nga kasi yung
Yung likod ng trend yung ano yung brown.
And Ben. Yan ha. Tara dun sa ano. And. Motor. Quiet please. And talk to your friend ha. Explain mo sa kanya. And 3, 2, 1, and action. And sandali lang ha. Cut muna. Cut muna. Gusto ko makakita ng shoulder, Richie. Gusto mo ayusin ko yung
Every day.
Ano naman bag mo kay Bia?
Ganda.
Lapit pa together guys. There, perfect. Nice one, guys. And here,
Ganda just written here.
straight down yung product
Very
or
cool.
not sideways.
Good crosser pa.
Not that.
and cut. Good one.